Hagani kajing Plie ya ke boarding hostel jong ke Skul Pine Mount dan lang Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ubak lakmen rembui, Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ubak san borsulai ubalong ru MLA kathan ki he officer sarkar bat kibe. Habagaran kajing lang u Conrad kongkal sangma ulapan kan mau bu lalit jingo ekani ke skul hu risau ke senam arajar arpuar bat ule ekran bagi kena Pulih bat ule I markmat ikijing bagi haban mad namar kajing long jingman ke hostel ke bomlong ke babiang satya. Nrei kakata aru ikabah kamiat bat ke Pulih Putih jeng kena lembak ni kijinglong. Kum tahu la batha benai ai mardor bat ai kijingkular gi kena Pulih bantai thamai ya ke hostel bat ulepan pau kijing sngohun bani I bagi jingkular ke urlong shisha. Conrad kongkal sangma ulai ai ban ba ke Pulih Putih kalong kakam ke bah kamat ya ba kijing pen bhai kijing tai ke de senjam ke ba kongsan ha ke ban penti kena ya kijing mi ke ba khambha na kijing Pulih. Baru long bagi jing kelai dan jing mut kin amwan jatang ha kashimiat mereka dan kami ke jing persyang ka bayai beteng ke jing kut jing mut bat ke jing shimkia ya ke jing dan kap jing upat ba
super lights are gonna find me but I won't feel blue like I always do 'cause somewhere in the crowd there's you.
That if we want to take our state forward, it can only be through investment in education. And therefore today, whatever we're doing, we're ensuring that we support, we invest, we do whatever we can. Some of the toughest decisions we have taken are in the education department. You have a long way to go in life. We have so much to achieve. Life is just beginning to unfold in front of you. My father used to say that whatever you do in life, whatever situation you are in, he said, remember 3 things. Keep smiling, keep working, and keep praying. These are the 3 things that he used to tell us. And I'll take a moment to explain why. He said, keep smiling, because smiling doesn't cost you anything. And not only does it release your tension and pressure, instead of having a very tense look on your face, it relieves the pressure and the tension of the person in front of you also. So the smile, he used to say, is the most cheapest medicine you can get. You don't need doctor's prescription, you don't need any medicine you need to buy. It is one of the best medicines that you can have, is a smile. So keep smiling, and you will get through all the challenges. Keep smiling, keep working, keep praying. Just say these words when you get up in the morning and say these words before you go to bed. I'll tell you, it will make a difference in your life. I wish you all the very best. I wish Pine Mount School the very best. May God bless each and every one of you. And may God bless Pine Mount School and our entire state.
Hagani ke juga singi kata ka artarek unaitung arajar arpun rio. Menteri rang ba agjelau Conrad kongkal sangma ula Plie ya ka Megalaya Teachers Training Academy MTTA. bat ong bakat ba kejing tei kedai kebeladak man plia kam haswa nrementa kapani kejing sedang jong kene ke akademi ha kesini bela plia ka ulong bagane kam de satya tang halor kejing tei kedai halor kejing wan ra ekor kom trei kam keban penklan jika nong rem jong puli putih ha megalaya bat kene ke akademi kan ceme ke benta ke badan kam ha keban weng ya kejing dunai ke bela slam ha kam tam kejing aji kai pen tebet ikino hikai Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bagajing tau ya ke MTTA kalawan kum kejubat bagajing bang kemat ke balapan pau haga National Assessment kum ka PGI bat ke parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan Arjar Arpusau ke balabo ke Meghalaya ke kadan ke bahasa Traido ke bedai bat ke Learning Outcomes jogi kena pulih kijing kan gibatai ru batang kan nyau nak sispa nak kino hikai ke jela leshim bentah kijing pentebet ke kam ke bagi tray hagi senam ke belalet no Ulong baga puli putih kalang uksai bas okerdot. Balada tan pad uksai bas okerdot. Weipat unang scam. Kum tadon kam menlau suki-suki ba ya uksai bas okerdot.